Mr. Rodriguez, you don't have appropriate ID to enter this area, sir. You don't have an appropriate ID to enter this building, sir. You must please exit the premises immediately. Okay? Papi, what you mean? No. I don't like this. I'm coming here. I need ice. I need ice to talk for my thing, okay? I need ice today. So I'm going in here, and that's it. We're going into ice today. That's it. Mr. Eugenio, that's actually not going to happen. You don't have appropriate ID. You can't get in here, okay? This is ICE. You know what I'm saying? So you need to be out immediately. Hey, no, papi, no, I'm going in there because I need ice for my brugal, papi. I need ice for my brugal to put in my drinking. You know what I'm saying? Because estamos aquí, papi, estamos activos. Estamos con los Bodega Boys aquí. They're trying to deport me, but, yo, I want to say one thing. Jeff Sessions. My nigga, I got the hands that's ready for you, my nigga. Show you shits. You feel me? Because I'll knock you ass to Santiago, my nigga. Word is born. You know what I'm saying? I take him back to 94 when me and Big Daddy Kane had work on the block, my nigga. Let me tell you something. I would knock you fucking socks off, just session. So my motherfucking differently back. Shout out to my nigga Desus not in the building right here. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Victor Hugo parece Bruno Marta aquí con el pelito ta suavecito. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Mero's in the building. The human durag. You know what I'm saying? Hasan's on the decks. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Bodega Boys episode 56. Tírame el drone, mamá huevo.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yeah. Niggas wanted Poppy. You got Poppy. Niggas wanted Poppy. For the niggas that was in the mentions. Shout out to the Hive. What? That's true.
Arian Foster said.
Yo, true.
What did he say?
Shout out to the homie.
He said we tweeted our way.
It's a success.
It's a success.
You know what I'm saying?
I see no lies.
No. None.
Tell the truth and shame the devil.
I'm looking. Let me look under here.
Look under there.
No,
Where the lies at?
no,
I got the magnifying glass out. I'll look at where's the lies.
No, none.
Yeah.
Out here. 56.
56, episode 56. We're straight from West 18th Street, 220 Red Bull Studios. The Octagon.
That's right.
The Mecca.
That's
the
right.
Temple of crystal clear clarity.
That's right. You come here, you genuflect.
Do you know what I'm saying? This
Pay
is
homage.
where the most dangerous podcast, most popular podcast. Look at the numbers.
Look at the numbers.
Don't even ask the numbers.
Don't
Ask your
ask.
mama.
You know what I'm saying? Your
racist father watches this. He voted for Trump.
That's right.
He listens to this podcast. He doesn't even know why.
Guys, I voted for Trump, but I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Love you guys.
The brand is strong. Hope you guys get deported. It's your boy, Jesus Nice,
That's
aka
right.
Jesus Vice, aka Yo Chipotle, aka Bounce Stay Fat Like Cheetah, aka Chris Astrop Singers, Eli Lippy, Booch's Gully, somebody I might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take,
That's
DJ
right.
Fuego, Mr. Nano with I know,
That's right.
Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss, MC Lukagunga, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Ubu. I don't know you. I don't know you. We're back in the Ubu Bulls, I guess. The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss.
Don't make a scene. Come on.
Be
Just
chill.
let him in. Just
come
be
on.
chill.
It's a Nike
You
V-Loan
know, come
event.
on.
ASAP's here.
You know
ASAP
what I'm
12
saying?
You gonna
You know what I'm
embarrass me?
saying?
in front
Come
of
on,
him?
dog. You know what I'm
Yo,
saying? We're trying to build out here.
You could buy from my nigga Dano on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? You got for a little make me
Got
so
you.
great
You know what I'm
again.
saying? Come on.
Jesus Rothstein, Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa,
got a
the
little
Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakunery out the coonery.
That's right.
AKA Chilling Lamone, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Loke.
Papi, estamos heavy.
I remember it was 2 outs,
Yeah.
3 men on base.
Yeah.
And I had a pitch ready,
That was good.
but I was wearing a condom for afterwards.
no,
just
you-
to pull it off.
Papi, we don't do that.
You don't do that. Vice K. Bakuzaka, 2 Phone Joes, Jesus A. Machina, Jay Chuckles,
Damn.
Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dalu, Leonardo DiCaprio,
Damn.
Mr. 240 because I like my Pinot Blurry.
That's right.
DJ Woolite, aka listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have Lady in Red.
Oh, yeah.
The Curry Gold, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion,
Whoa.
the Black Asiatic Daddick who will crack your back like an asthmatic, automatic craftmatic.
That's right.
That's right.
Even if
It's all
you're
there.
asthmatic, man.
Get your inhaler. Get your inhaler. Actually, let me pull your inhaler a little far from you and make you crawl for it. And your face turn all red and you're trying to get it. And I'm
shit.
like, yeah, you want that, huh?
Yeah.
You want that? How bad you want that inhaler,
sick.
mommy? Yeah, look
Oh,
at you.
shit.
And she's like, Jesus, stop. Jesus, stop. I'm like, yeah, you want this? You want to breathe, bitch? You want this? Nah, I'm lying. Allegedly. Mr.
Black.com.
Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold misdemeanor, a.k.a. you're problematic big.
Wow,
Put some tongue in there for your mother
That's
just to
right.
make dinner uncomfortable.
That's right. It tastes like hookah smoke, nigga. What's up? I'm coughing because you know what I'm smoking, nigga.
It's my man SARS over here.
Yeah, I'm coughing because I'm smoking that Pacquiao. You know what I'm saying? You know who it is? It's a boy, the Kid Mero. You know what I'm saying? The human do-rag flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Lover. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I know fucking baby.
He's a man.
I fucking mean.
He's a man.
Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? The dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? My kids got more triples and T-ball than all your motherfucking kids combined. Holla. You know what I'm saying? Big Smack Biombo, feel the ass Tyson, because I do feel it, nigga, in HD 4K. The Dominican Dandada.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Ben Boston with the precision to levitate your medulla oblongata.
We love you, man.
Like the David Blaine, thank you. Please keep your panties on. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, so please put the benzos elsewhere. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the Zen man. Fell asleep on the 9 bus. Threw up on myself. Yo, Rico Sravoso, you know what I'm saying? Baby Newport, East Street, my Stevie B, because I'll take your DD Yvette and spin her around. You know what I'm saying? The plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. So please throw 5 on this dime so we can smoke. Because I don't got it right now, niggas. It's got to pop. We housebroke out here. If you see me in Target, respect my agency. You know what I'm saying? Approach me like an earthside mammal. You know what I'm saying? El hijo de Tito y FIFA bajando caro, papi, más frío con el quimalito, más caliente con fogón. No te cruces quedando con el cañón, nigga. That means I got the pistol on me and I will let it fly. Episode 56, nigga. What's up?
That's it. That's the whole episode. We're out. We'll see you next week. Niggas is like, yo, how is the podcast? The AKs are taking more time on the podcast. Fuck it.
I came through energized.
I'm energized. I felt it.
Okay, I'm gonna come through energized. I'm gonna tell you something right now.
I felt very Westbrook coming down the block.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you something. You're the alcohol, the connoisseur.
That's right.
You know
I love my pills.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This morning I woke up and I was like, you know what I'm saying? Just looking around my crib and I seen the What Would Desus Do bracelet. You know what I'm saying? I was like, okay, what would Desus do right now? So then when I made my little waffle, my little Eggo waffle on the way out the door, nigga, I put some Belvedere in my orange juice.
Talk to me, my nigga. Talk that shit. Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So niggas was a little litty on the 2 train this morning.
All right. Niggas is out here.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas is out here.
And then we came here, we had our usual ritual of the loudest of the loud.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? And here we are.
I got my store where I buy my Becks around here. My man see me this morning. He was amped. He was like, yeah. He was like, yeah, you know what it is. Turn it up. He was like,
Bro.
yo, in the studio. I was like, you know it.
Yeah, bro.
Yo.
He's like the nigga that hands LeBron the powder in the you know what I'm saying, before he comes out the game.
You gotta have the utensils to make the art.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the sponsors, of course, Red
You know
Bull.
All day, you already know.
All right.
Air horns.
Heather's Coach, which is no longer on Airbnb because it's currently occupied.
By the one young
princess,
little man.
the princess,
Yes,
the princess.
Late March, you know what I'm saying? Dropping. In this record industry talk, what quarter is that? I feel
Late
like
March?
it's late March.
Is that first quarter?
What happened?
What
When's this
industry
baby
talk?
dropping?
Oh, it's end of first quarter.
End the first quarter. End the first quarter. You know
Wait,
what I'm
see
saying?
the end of first quarter records.
Blockbuster, baby.
All right. You don't want to catch a brick. You want your baby to flop.
Yo.
I just come out like, oh. They're like, but PU, Mero's baby opened to only 13,000 copies sold this weekend.
Yo.
Those Krishan numbers.
Yo, my fear is that she's going to come out mad beautiful and already have like 1,000 unanswered texts.
Boo.
You know what I'm saying?
Boo. Twitter dad joke. Boo.
Yo.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
so, 2 people died on my street last night?
Wow. Oh, yeah, that's right. No, that was today, this morning, dog.
12:15 a.m.
Yeah.
2 men died after their car slammed into a tree on the Bronx River Parkway.
Bruh.
Victims and the driver and his passenger were in a white Mercedes sedan traveling northbound on the highway near East 233rd.
Yo.
Shout out to the gang, Dirty
You know what I mean?
33rd. We out here, you know what
You
it
know what I'm
is.
saying?
When the car careened off the road. Oh, shit. They got to look at this shit in the tree.
Ooh.
Damn, I know exactly where that's at.
Chill.
You know what it is? Because
Is that an Acura?
That's a Mercedes.
Oh, it's a Benz?
Because you know that little strip from Gun Hill Road to
Yes.
233rd, you do drag racing there because it's a straightaway.
Yeah.
And they said they had a daily news special. They had cars doing 120 miles per hour
Yep.
there.
Wild.
How are you doing 120 miles per hour in New York City?
And it's crazy because they're doing
There's
it there.
that blind curve right there.
Yeah, and then before, because I remember back in the day, they used to do the shits at Hunts Point.
Yeah.
Those are the big ones. And then Zariga.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? When Hunts Point got hot. And now it's just like, bro, niggas are doing these shits on like local streets. Like, yo, can you niggas give them, can y'all have Zariga? Let Zariga be a legal racing zone.
Yeah.
Make it Amsterdam. You know what I'm saying? When niggas can come bring the NSXs, you know what I'm saying? And race their
man.
shit. Because otherwise you're going to have shit like this happening every fucking week.
But I mean, you know what it is? People do dumb shit in cars all the time. It's just these people did not know how to control this shit. Because I remember there was one time, me and my man, shout out to Black Pat, we were racing up we were trying to see who could get to the GWB, the George Washington Bridge fastest, from 42nd Street on the West Side Highway. Easily doing like 110.
Oh, man.
At one point, I turned off my headlights.
Treacherous.
To just make it happen. It's 2 in the morning. Light work. Like driving, looking at each other through the day, like giving each other the finger.
Yo,
You think it's fun. You think it's fun until something goes dangerously wrong.
Yo, not for nothing. This guy obviously perished. You know what I'm saying? Duh.
Oh, yeah, both.
Both people died?
Both people died.
But yo, the dude that was driving, probably right before he realized that he fucked up, he was like, yeah! And then he realized he fucked up. And he's like, oh, shit.
Because there's not a lot of wiggle room with a car.
No.
Like, you can't correct.
No.
Once you realize shit is going wrong with the car, it's too late.
Sometimes you're just in God's hands, my nigga. Because I remember when niggas hit that hydroplane puddle on the fucking West Side Highway and slid across 4 lanes. That could have been the end of the fucking
y'all
Bodega
almost
Boys.
lost Bodega Boys before we were Bodega Boys.
It could have been the end of it all.
I was just like, damn. This is how it goes out? We would...
Yo, that shit stopped 6 inches from the fucking right divider. Be like, and regained control of the shit.
That was after our first live show, right? Yeah. It was mad rainy. Yeah. My man Mero was driving us home.
Yo, wild.
Was it Mero driving or was it Barmelo's Anthony?
I think it was. Yo, Barmelo's actually a way better driver, but he's way more calm and in control.
It was me and I was over here with the GPS, was rerouting to Smack City. Fastest route to Smack City.
But make first U-turn out of Smack City.
I was so smacked that after it happened, I wasn't even mad. I was like, yo. I turned to you, I was like, yo, you almost killed us. Like very calm. He was like,
the nigga left and took a swig of his beer.
Because I did have the open container and Mero was like, sorry. But we're alive now.
Shit, that's right.
Prospering out here. 2017.
You know what I mean?
Got the TV show popping. About to take a little vacay.
You already know. Oh, yeah, we're off for the week.
You know what I'm saying?
But all that means is that they're going to run mad reruns.
They're going to do a marathon.
Marathons, you're going to love it because there's mad replay value because we're fucking hilarious.
Just throw it on your TV while you clean your house, while you smudge. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's about to be warm. Clean the dust bunnies from up under your house. I mean, under your bed. And I say that because I know all our listeners, mattresses are not directly on the floor.
No, they're not.
We've shamed people too long for that. It's box springs, day beds even.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my ladies out there that got like the little underneath their bed. They got mad loose hairs and shit. Because you know they did their natural journey.
That is what it is.
The curly hairs is a little more than they expected.
Hey, you know what? That's fine.
Victor knows what I'm talking about.
It's just mad luxurious. That shit feels mad good, right?
Victor looks like a gangster Manchichi. I respect it. I respect it.
Oh man.
What you got planned for the week off?
Oh, just like, I'm moving, so like I'm packing. You know what I'm saying?
He's moving on up
to Bergen County. But I'm still close to Patterson. I'm not gonna tell you niggas exactly where I live because I don't want you niggas pulling up in my crib on some weird shit. But
like Victor Cruz just got dropped from the Giants. That nigga might rob you.
Yo, imagine.
Damn,
we got to fight shirtless in the front yard.
And that nigga puts a gun to you, but then like he gets caught because when he's running out with like all the money and shit, he starts to salsa dancing on your front lawn and shit.
I'll just
cops just waiting like, you done?
I'll come shoelace tackle the nigga. Yo, damn, that's wild. Damn, my son got dropped. That sucks. I hope you prosper.
I mean, they gave you money,
but he's good though, right? Like he wasn't on a stupid deal.
They cut Jennings and Victor Cruz from cap saving moves, but the thing is like, he'd be all right. Like he can still play.
Yeah, he's not. It's not like,
and they do that all the time.
Yeah, he's worth at least $17 million.
That's what he's making now?
I feel hard. Listen, I love my niggas, but where's my bitches? But nah, like he's good. Once you make over $1 million, like I'm sorry, I have to kiss you on the forehead and let you go.
Yeah,
I can't worry about you anymore.
That's it.
You have that $1 million to make your life better.
That was your springboard.
That was your thing. Like you made it.
That was it.
God bless. Go forward, my son.
Take that $1 million, jump off of that, do a triple axle flip into some more money. If you fuck up, nigga, and when you hit the side of the pool, that's on you, pal.
Because there's a difference between like if you were born with $1 million versus someone who wasn't, and now you made $1 million. Yep. You knew what it was before you found out. You know what I mean? Like you got that $1 million, was ready to rock. I don't care if you invest in Mary Kay or whatever. Something. Like triple that somehow.
Somehow, though.
At least get some return. Shit, buy some savings bonds.
What's
You're gonna regret it when you go and you buy a fucking $600,000 chain that looks like your face and the eyes spin because they're red jewels. What are you gonna do with that? Huh? You can't put a mortgage on that.
I gotta get a $600,000 chain that has an L that lights itself, like a little smoke comes out. Or
You know
like
how
vapor.
many bankers are tired of young buck coming into their office talking about, yo, this is my collateral for my new barbershop. Look at the chain it spins.
Yo.
They're like, no. First of all, that's very rusty. You clearly were not maintaining that, Mr. Buck.
The ball bearings are falling out.
It's barely. Is it even G unit anymore?
It's not working.
I haven't heard anything from Yayo.
Yeah, looks like yeah. Come on, give me a break.
Okay, Tony. You know, Banks is still spitting it.
He's out here. He got bars.
You know?
I see Tony Yayo at Sue's Rendezvous, but he wasn't looking too hot.
Banks is still hotter than the phone booth in front of the Chinese spot.
Yo,
Lloyd Banks
that
is
is
the
hot.
future, right?
Yeah, damn. Yeah, man. Fire punchlines.
I
He said,
respect
that's why
him
your
'cause
bitch blowing on me like Nintendo games.
I respected him because he was a good rapper and he got shot.
That's true. Yeah.
You remember, like,
Yeah,
you know,
sure thing.
getting
I feel
shot
like
is not something it's not. You don't respect people for getting shot, but it's
Right.
like if you recover from getting shot.
Yeah,
that's
if you
something.
recover from getting shot,
if you get shot, like,
you know what it
this
is.
is a hot take. 9 times out of 10, you had it coming.
You absolutely.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people. It's not a lot of people
The
get shot
10th
from
person
reason.
out of the 9 out of 10, that 10th person probably caused stray or
Yeah.
mistaken identity.
Yeah.
But 9 of you motherfuckers
There's something.
to reward you.
Yo.
So what told you to chill? And you just kept pushing the issue.
Julio texted you 6 times in code, telling him, "Yo, bring
know what I'm saying?
bring that money for the t-shirts." You know what I'm saying? Like, come on.
You know, like maybe we playing dice and you got a little spicy at the mouth
Yep.
and you knew my mama was dead and you wanted to make that little joke. And well, you know what I'm saying?
Now you gotta get that one.
Now you spitting the freestyle with the 4-5. Who am I? Who am I? Like I am just a vessel for correction.
Just following the rules.
This is hood rules apply.
Yeah.
I think hopefully I'm past the point where I'd have to shoot somebody, but
Yeah.
unless you were like trying to break in my house or something, but
Yeah.
like I couldn't see myself getting mad enough to shoot. I mean, I know there are definitely 2 people in Hollywood I would shoot, but I'm not gonna name them.
You can. I mean, yeah. I knew it.
Other than that, nah, it's good.
And that motherfucker could probably take a couple.
Take a couple. You gotta come through with the 50 cal. The elephant gun. See me when you see me, nigga.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like, who's he talking
Who's
about?
he talking
Y'all
about?
never know.
Ah. You know what I'm saying? It's words for my man Killer Black that I can't say, so it's left for untold fact.
Oh! Keeping the 90s alive. Yo, have we reached the point now with WCBS FM, which plays nothing but oldies, is playing like shook ones?
Yo, not for nothing. I was thinking, cause CBS FM or whatever just recently started playing 80s music.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm like, all right, the oldies station is playing 80s music. So it's only a matter of time, dog, before you hear
What?
fucking Gin
What?
and Juice on
yeah,
CBS FM.
Where are they playing 50s music at now?
Fucking backspin.
You know what? Fuck them. Because if you enjoyed 50s music, that means you was cool with like Jim Crow and shit like that. You should have been like snapping your.
Yo, on the fucking.
Nah, niggas are sitting in the back of the bus.
Scooby Doo, I go back of the bus, little nigger. Dooby doo, little nigger, go to the back of the bus, little nigger.
Boom, boom,
Doobie-doo, you're like-
He's trying to eat at the lunch counter.
No way, no
He's trying
way.
to eat with the shabba-dabba-doo-bop, eat with the white people.
No way, no way. Can't we the dust gotta go that way.
Lynch that nigga over there.
Hang that nigga from a tree. Scooby Doo doo, Scooby Doo dee.
That's the top 40 record. I'm Casey Kasem.
Yeah, I'm Casey Kasem.
That's the number 1 record in America. Lynch that nigga by the Shy Lights. It's like,
what
black
the
people are
fuck?
like, I just imagine in the 1950s, it's just black people standing around with their hands up doing the
Like,
shrug, like, yo, what?
Yo.
Are y'all for real?
Doing the like the fucking Swaggy P meme.
Think
like,
about
yo,
the
what?
first black person that saw the water fountain and was sort of like, it said blacks don't, no, whites only. He was like,
Yo.
He'd be like, who's playing?
That's serious? What the
Malcolm, you playing?
You fucking around?
What's the joke here?
What do you mean? White's only like? What do you mean? By
I'm on Impractical Jokers on True TV. What is this?
What is it? What's the fact that with the
Why?
April?
Why we have separate water?
What's going on?
If the water comes out, it doesn't touch our.
That's what it is. Because white people be putting their mouth on the fountain. I said it.
How?
Yeah, I said it.
How scared of another person do you have to be that you're like, yo, we have to have separate water
Yo, we gotta
fountains?
have it.
Yeah.
Separate.
But no,
You know what I'm
for in early
Black
America,
Planet, like Chuck D said.
in early America, they believed that you could catch blackness. So that was like the whole thing about not letting black people.
Why
in
would you
swimming
not want to
pools and
catch
shit.
blackness? Like, yo, oh damn, I caught blackness. Now I can season my chicken and dance. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know
Oh,
what I mean?
shit.
Oh shit, now I have rhythm. Yo, oh shit.
Just come home. It's
fuck?
like, oh my god, Sally, what's wrong? Why is this chicken on fire?
She's like, it's delicious. What are you talking
Darrow,
about?
I caught blackness.
I caught blackness. That's the mild.
She runs to the spice cabinet. Like, what is it? Paprika, salt, pepper, cumin. Nigga passes out.
What the heck is Adabo?
Goes the cops. She tried to kill me with something called adobo? She sprinkled it on our food. Yeah. My kids, please come. Like their nostrils are inflamed. They can't handle all this flavor. I gave little Timmy some milk. He doesn't know what's going on.
You take niggas some Flavor Town. You catch it.
Come in, niggas got the guns out. Like, drop the Saison.
Drop it right now. Put the Saison on the ground right now.
I swear to God, I'll season these beans.
Drop the sofrito.
I'll season these beans.
Drop the sofrito. Ma'am.
I have pork marinated.
Ma'am, I will fire my weapon. I will discharge my weapon if you do not release the pernil immediately.
You need flavor. That's a Flavor Town Murders in Long Island in 1942.
Guy Fieri's investigating shit. Niggas a sleuth.
Recipe-related murders happen all across the country. My name's Guy Fieri. Today we're going to get to the bottom of it.
That's right.
In my new investigative series, Law and Order. Flavor Town!
Damn Flavor Unit!
Flavor Unit. Queen Latifah comes out like, no. That's mine.
That's mine.
UNITUI.
That's my unit. Yo, what's Queen Latifah doing?
She showed her titties.
She did?
You remember? And but it was like in a tasteful HBO show or some shit.
Oh, okay. What show was it?
I don't know.
Hidden Figures? No, that was the movie.
That was the movie.
Hidden Fences?
Hidden Fences.
Yeah.
That's, they could have came up with Hidden Figures. Like,
Yo, that was a good movie.
Did you see it? You had the screener, right?
Yeah, I got the screener. It was a good one. Niggas, Queen. Oh, did she show the titties and set it off too?
No, she just had the wild. I don't want to say wife beater, because that is not. That's a problematic term.
It's a guinea tea, right?
No, guinea tea. Hey, my guy!
Hey, whoa!
I just spilled all my sauce. What the fuck? Whoa. My Nana's in the room listening to this. Why would you say that? Oh my God! I'm going to pull you over for a busted tail light. Yeah. Niggas said guinea tea. Niggas said a Pelham Parkway shirt. A Rylander Avenue T-shirt. Yeah. Hey, this is my good Gabagool shirt.
Oh, hey, I got a fresh pack every week. What do you want?
Yo, would you like to buy some opioids?
Hey.
Nah, it's called a boyfriend shirt now. Or an A shirt.
An A shirt.
You can't call it a wife. You can't call it a wife beater.
A shirt.
Because there's no other shirt. Like, there's no other piece of apparel associated with a specific crime. Is what someone told me.
That's true.
But then I was like, what about NBA jeans? Or remember the Gino Green shirts?
Yo!
With the nines on them? Listen. Nothing lets somebody know back in the day that you would shoot them. Yeah. Like a Gino Green shirt.
It's like I got the 9 on me, like
it's
literally.
Like, yo, the shit is cocked, my nigga.
Yeah. Like off safety. I might shoot myself by accident.
I came out the house ready to shoot. Someone getting shot. Yeah.
That's the aim of tonight. It's not to go and get laid.
My gun cried to me last night. Why don't you ever use me? Come on. Well, you take me for granted.
You brought me all the way from Florida for no reason.
Where's this going? I let you deface my serial number. I thought this was going somewhere.
I should have stayed in Virginia at the gun show.
When your boy started talking about his gun is talking to him, you gotta be like, yo, you know what?
Yo,
I got things to do.
Yeah, I be real busy a lot, man. So if I don't keep up, it's not against you. You know what I'm saying? I'll be real busy.
Yo, that's how. You know what? I'm still figuring out iMessage. Can't figure out how to reply.
Yeah, it's
there's
crazy.
A camera next to
the keyboard is all like touch digital. I don't know, man. Cool. I wish we could go back to that nowadays. Take it.
See you when I get there.
Never again.
Nah, we gotta stay out of trouble. A lot of stuff. If either me or you go to jail or some shit, Viceland is fucked.
Yeah,
a lot of people are gonna lose their jobs.
Yeah, it's gonna be quiet.
Yeah, we're the golden goose.
The non-jail one has to do the whole Noriega shit and be like, yo, do mad phone interviews and skits on the album.
Yeah, the show's not gonna be the same if I'm like, yo,
it's Stay Green Skyping it.
Yeah, yo, Mero, describe the video to me.
Yo, it's like a nigga. It's like he's mad fat, right?
But he's on the fat nigga. Yeah. What's he doing?
He's on a skateboard, but he's about he's about to go down a ramp, but like it's mad small.
Fat nigga's on a skateboard on a ramp.
Yeah. Yo, I think he's about to. Oh, nigga broke his leg.
Yo, I bet you. That's wild. Is it gruesome?
Yeah, it's wild gruesome. I wish you could see it.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Yeah.
I wish you could see it, man.
I wish I could see it.
Dude, man, come on, man. It's like, bro, Rico Lowe's fucked up, man.
Niggas trying me to showers, nigga. I had to stab a nigga.
Damn, son. Yo, hold your hat, my nigga.
Yeah, I had to jump start on my foreskin.
bro.
Niggas ain't see that shit coming, though.
Chill. Yo, I sent you the Prodigy book in the mail, my
Good
nigga.
looks, my nigga. Don't be mad when I cut some Germans.
I got you.
Alright, cool.
So devolves into just straight man therapy session and crying.
Niggas like, I'm gonna cry this shit. Niggas like,
with random niggas in the background trying to give shout outs.
Yo, shout out to my niggas, you know what I mean? 80 block, you know what I mean? Echo Place, you heard? You
yo,
know
my nigga.
Yo.
My nigga, I'm
Yo.
on the phone. It's my fucking phone.
Nah, fuck out of here, fuck out of here, nigga.
Yo,
Nah,
you for real, my nigga?
Nah, you straight pussy.
Yo,
nigga.
Mero,
What's up?
let me call you
What's
back.
up, man?
I got
Straight
yo.
pussy, nigga. Fuck that, nigga.
Nigga about to learn correction.
Burnside, nigga, what's up? Yeah. Damn, nigga, chill.
Yo, I'll call you back. I had $150 a nigga.
Oh shit, I thought you was a TV nigga.
Shout out. I'm recording shit live from my cell and shit.
Yeah.
Got a pet rat.
Oh shit.
Don't go to jail.
Don't go to jail because it sucks. Yo, niggas really think jail doesn't suck. Jail really sucks. Unless your life is really bad.
There's not many people out there who think jail doesn't suck.
You know what I'm saying? Your life got to be really bad.
It's
You know
most
what I'm
people. Most people don't realize how close to jail they are. They're most of us are one bad decision away from jail.
Yep.
And you find out like your education, your money.
That shit don't mean shit.
Unless you have a member of your family is like a cop.
Yeah.
You go in jail for whatever.
Yeah, for sure. Niggas don't care if you got a
Even if you're like your congressman or some shit, they're gonna have to make some phone calls. You're gonna be in that cell for at least.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
You might have Rikers.
Let Chuck Schumer Jr.
Schumer Jr.
Let him like steal some money from the synagogue.
Ooh.
He's not gonna sit on the bench. He can't be like my father Chuck Schumer.
Fuck out of here.
Cop gonna be like, oh fuck you.
Fuck you.
My father Joey Pellegrino.
Yeah, my dad's Joey Pellegrino. He said, watch out for you fucking sneaky Jews. That's what he told me back in my days.
That was anti-Semitic and also valid.
You know what I'm saying?
Should we join with the alt-right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
How mad would Heather be if you became a Nazi?
She'd be super tight.
Yeah.
She'd be like, yo, you can't come to Passover, nigga, as a Nazi. That's crazy.
You know what? We gotta work with Supreme. We're gonna make a yarmulke with a swastika.
A Supreme yarmulke?
Yes.
A Supreme yarmulke with a
Something
swastika?
on it, yes.
Oh, it's mad subversive.
Man, yes. Yes. I'll be in a Madison Square Garden like that. I'll be like, it's a message. It's political.
Yeah.
It's me and Susan Sarandon sitting there. We're just getting booed. Boo!
Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here.
You're both problematic.
Fuck yeah.
Because Hayes is like, I just can't with either of them.
Jill Stein just comes to us next year with beers like, what's going on, guys?
What's going on? Oh, these are my beers.
Fuck out of here.
Oh, y'all don't got beer? These are Joe Stein beers, nigga.
That's why I'm putting them in a beer stein.
Okay.
Get it?
All right.
Oh, that might be funny to you.
She spills one of the beers on the seat, and she like mops it up with $100 bills. I'm like, yo, that's the American people's money, Jill Stein.
Yo, stop it, Jill.
She's like, wow, Jill Stein's supposed to spend a wet $100 bill.
You crazy?
She just balls it up and throws it underneath the
Like,
seat.
fuck outta here.
Fuck out of here.
You ever seen that
We
picture?
get the wet ones, the wifey.
The picture of fucking yo, the fucking picture of Puff at the fucking Knicks game or whatever.
Looking at
He's
a
like,
$1 bill?
Like what?
Like, what is it? They still make these?
That's Jill Stein right now. Looking at 20s like that. Like 20s. Who is
doing all
this?
types of nasty shit with. Man. She doing that. Definitely doing the Jim Jones stack
man.
of 500 on her
On the head and shit.
Like,
Bouncing.
You go out,
Balling.
balling. Still prank calling Bernie Stein.
You know what I mean? Damn.
Bernie Sanders.
Hello, who is this? Jill? Hello?
You fucking broke boy.
Hello?
You hate big business, nigga? I am big business.
Is this Jill Stein again? You effing B.
Bernie Sanders.
But I feel like Bernie Sanders never cursed in his life.
He probably has, but it was just like
whack
at a
corny,
traffic light or some
Yeah.
shit.
Like shit.
I had the right of way, you asshole.
Yeah, nigga thinks about it for mad long.
I'm so tired of this shit. You're like, whoa.
Bernie.
Wait, no.
Whoa, a lot of fuego from you, my guy. A lot of passion.
You gotta let oh shit. Nike re-released remember the pumps?
Oh, word?
Yeah. Getting a pair of those.
Word?
Shout out to the kids from Boston Secord that tried to rob me on Connor Street for my Reebok pumps.
How? Like, you
high
had them in the box or you had them on your
I
feet?
had my feet.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Niggas try to press?
Niggas try to press
Fuck
me.
outta here, nigga.
Niggas was like, yo, what size
Fuck
was that?
out of here.
But you know how you have the barricades that they do when there's a construction and they have those like flashing lights
Yeah.
that are like automated and they're not plugged into anything.
Mm-hmm.
If you break them, you can use like the light as like a blade.
Right.
So I use that to like back 3 niggas down.
Yo.
Because I'm wild.
That's like Bear Grylls of the hood shit.
Because I was waiting for I think that was a 16 bus or something. There's nobody around there. It was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm like, if these niggas take my sneakers, I'm going to have to take the bus home in socks?
Yeah.
Nah, fuck
yo,
that.
and the worst shit is like, it's not even like, yo, I'm a herb. It's like, there's 4 of these niggas. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're gonna get
with my
these
parents
shoes. You know what I'm
to
saying?
get those sneakers.
Yeah.
I was like, I was more afraid of going home without those sneakers to my parents than I was about these 3 niggas. So I backed them down, and it was like, he's a wild boy.
Yeah.
I kept my fucking sneakers.
You got to be ready to cut somebody's grill, B. That's a very important, integral part of growing up in the
What I
Bronx.
learned in New York City, in the Bronx.
You got to be ready to cut somebody's face wide open because, like, that's what really 9 out of 10 times nobody's coming after you yap them in the face.
That's the equalizer because you have to be ready to open someone's face, and you have to also be ready for someone to open your face.
You know what I'm saying?
And that balance, that yin
Yes.
and the yang.
Yes.
That's what keeps. That holds the
harmony,
center.
yeah.
Harmony.
You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, niggas would be having mad $150s all willy-nilly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Is a $150 a reasonable response for most things? No. But sometimes.
Listen, sometimes somebody's spilled their drink on you and didn't apologize. Your Pele was mad fresh out the store.
Sometimes you ask the person to move 3 times on the subway.
And they ignored you. I mean, I don't give a fuck. You got your headphones on. I know you can still hear me. Them shits don't got noise canceling technology.
Excuse me.
You know what I'm saying? That's it.
Things, you know what I'm saying? You see me here with my baby. Now I had to give you a $150 while I'm holding my baby. How you think my baby feels about that? You fucking leaking and shit. I'm like, I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't see you as a baby. I thought you were a guy.
Oh, shit.
Here's another $150 on the other side.
Yo, how about the pictures of niggas, shorty on the train with her man, and it was like, yo, shout out to the Bronx where people will hand you their baby to fight on the train.
I mean, what are you supposed to do if you have a baby? You got to fight.
That's true. You got to hand the baby off to somebody who you got it to somebody. Yo, the hierarchy is like older woman. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Like older. You know what I'm saying? Like older men are at the bottom of the list.
Right.
It's like older women, younger women. I'm not handing my baby to no dude.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like straight up.
And also you get that adrenaline rush where you could get that quick scan.
Yeah.
Like in the Division where you just scan for enemies.
Oh shit.
And you're like, yo, you're like, a good person. You just
5 enemies.
Yep. Shout out to the Division. What a field game. That game could have been so much better. So much fucking better.
That game could have been one of those games that people just play like continuously, and then you just keep downloading like little patches and whatever, and like you just play the shit forever, like Grand Theft Auto.
We talked about video games so much on the show. Why have no one brought us in on a meeting for like the next Call of Duty or the next iteration of
Talk to us, man.
the Division? Like we play video games
a lot.
All right, I already told you about Grand Theft Auto Z, which takes place in a zombie apocalypse.
Genius.
All right, Rockstar, get on that shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Make it open. Don't make the shit whack. Don't put no wild time constraints on it. Just let me kill zombies.
Yes, please.
And the only thing is like the cars are not like the Grand Theft Auto cars. The cars like run out of gas very fast. Yeah. So you're on your feet a lot.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So you can wander
to and it gives you like some more suspenseful.
Yeah, you gotta go through the woods and you can turn around. There's like, you know, You get
into a car that's just about to run out of gas. You're about to run into a mob of zombies. What do you do? You stay in the car.
Like the car's making mad. It's like a fucking old fucking Toyota's making mad noise and bringing zombies in from the woods and shit. So you didn't know. Now the car shuts down. You look behind you. You got like a fucking trail, and your character hasn't eaten. Now he's going slow. You only have like 8 bullets left. That's the sense.
And if they, and the other thing where they kind of failed too was like, map out New York City. Like I feel like it's not that hard. Like the Grand Theft Auto did it with LA, right?
Yeah.
Like perfectly.
Grand Theft Auto
to the point where
4.
Remember we was driving up that fucking thing and you was like, yo, I recognize this from fucking Grand Theft Auto.
From San Andreas,
yeah. I'm like, yo, if you do that, if you make a really accurate map of like the 5 boroughs and make the shit open world, like you said, not too linear, but give that option, like give you like a campaign or whatever that you could do like the linear story, but then just like you said, like, yo, just let me wow out and just blow up zombies and like loot stores and shit like that.
In 05, did you ever play True Crime New York City?
It sounds familiar. Nah, I don't know.
It was for PlayStation 2, Xbox, and GameCube. That had New York mapped out for real. Like the streets, they did a good job, but the game had like some wanky. Rockstar knows how to do open source games. Like let's not cut the bullshit. Like no one does it the way they
got the blueprint. Yeah.
What's the knockoff Grand Theft Auto? What's the other one? It was
Watch Dogs, Just Cause.
No. Saints Row.
And then it got weird. They had like
bazookas and clowns and
sit in the fucking Maxim magazine. Yeah. Like I was like, I kind of know I was gonna play this shit.
Get this shit out of here.
Yo, I just beat a clown to death with a double-headed dildo.
Come on.
Turn to an Eminem song.
What's the shit where you're in? I think it's a Capcom joint. You're in a mall.
The zombie
Is
shit.
it Dead Rising?
Yeah.
Dead Rising?
Yeah.
That was a good one. You know what I'm saying?
That was the problem with that. There was like weird time constraints and
it was mad
camera
Japanese.
angles. Yeah,
the flow was mad Japanese. Like the action, the physics, everything was mad Japan.
But if they had some good shit there, you should be able to use like mad shit. You use anything to kill.
You know what I mean?
Zombies.
A fucking sign, a wet floor sign,
anything.
a fucking microphone.
Come on, this is what the people want. People just want to kill shit. But then you gotta be careful because you can't make the game too good because then like Eminem fans are gonna listen to it and do a school shooting and be like, "Yo,
that's true.
I based it off Desus and Mero's Grand Theft Auto."
Yeah. Oh,
I based it off Grand Theft Auto Smack City. That's our game right there.
That's it, bro.
GTA Smack City.
Yo.
Smack City. You can
Hey,
play. You can play as either Desus or Mero. You got the wild dramatic cutscenes. It's like Heather rocking the baby. She's like, oh man, but she got the weird fingers because they don't know how to animate the fingers.
Yeah.
She's like,
just one block.
She got the baby. She's like, you gonna move that brick or not? This is our chance.
Then I guess the two options to respond. It's like, hell yeah, I'm gonna move this brick. I gotta chill. It's man hot. Hell yeah, I'm gonna move this brick. That's what I thought, my nigga. Yo, Heather, chill. You can't say that. That's problematic. It's problematic. Cut to you and shit. You're like, yo,
you got no. You just got like the block hands, but you're doing the push down like. I'm gonna do this for my family. You can't see this as a podcast. I know. Just visualize it.
Walk with us.
And I pull up like, Papa! Yo, Mero, you want to do this mission? It's like
yes.
A or it's X or Y.
Fucking yeah, X nigga. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Yo, we out. I'm in the car.
No, I get out the car. I'm like, even though it's my car and I drove here, you still have to drive to the point. Shout out to Grand Theft Auto. That makes no sense.
No sense.
Nigga, you drove here. Why am I driving your car?
Why, you tired, nigga? You drove 3 blocks.
No, it's a new car. It's an electric car. I don't know how to speed it up. Like, please
come
drive
on.
for me.
Yo, I feel like our influence is powerful enough now that y'all got to make this open world zombie game.
Yes.
Like, it has to happen. New York City, accurately portrayed. What era? Now, current times?
Current time.
Current times?
Current time. If you're running from zombies, I don't want you to stop on every corner and have to fucking kick a freestyle with Black Moon and shit.
Nigga, I thought you was going to say use painful. Nigga said freestyle with 5FT.
I'm like, yo, I gotta get my wife out there. Oh shit, is that the artifact?
Yo.
Other side of the tracks.
Yeah, you gotta do graffiti with them and shit.
Like you trying to get uptown, and Karen's one is like, no. Before you pass, you must tell me the 5 pills. I'm like, nigga, my wife is a zombie apocalypse.
What the fuck are you doing?
All right, fine. Put down some cardboard. Let me do a backspin.
Next mission must find Mango Pina spot.
So turns to the rapper and shit. Kick, push. It's all in your mind.
Yeah.
No, just a simple like nigga now.
Yeah.
Would Uber work during a zombie? Uber is so trash, they definitely have a surge.
You already know.
And they have like a whimsical message like, boo! Right now the surge is not the only scary thing going on. Niggas be like, boycott Uber.
Our brains are overloaded with requests for Ubers.
Oh, shit. Please don't bite other passengers in the Uber pool. And you look on Twitter and you can't, like, all your favorite Twitter people, some of them became zombies, but they're still tweeting and shit. It's like a tweet from It's the Real. It's like, I'm like, to y'all too.
Yo, shout out.
Charlamagne is just like, brains. No, just retweeted like, bet you won't eat black woman brains. Which Twitter person, if they were a zombie, you wouldn't be able to tell? Like you, if Jada Smith slander. That's the homie. Who?
Probably Cher.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Look at Cher. What's Cher's last?
Yes.
Look at Cher's last 3 tweets.
Yes.
What are they?
Holy shit, you're right.
What the hell? Last
she's
3
out
tweets?
here.
She's wild.
She getting that grade A in the fucking armored truck. You remember when that guy walked off with all the gold dust in Midtown and shit? That's what she's sniffing. She's like, yo. She's sniffing that 24 karat man. The doctor's like, sure, you cannot sniff gold dust. It's tearing up the inside of your nostrils.
Hit the game so pure.
She's like, you know what? You know what would help my nose? If I could turn back time. Remember she did that sexy and she had like the wild body stocking?
Yeah, with the see-through cheeks and she had
Navy
no
ship?
cheeks.
Like, nigga, that's not what the armed forces are for.
Not at all.
That's why niggas lost Vietnam.
And yo, if you look at the video, the cheeks was not.
The cheeks wasn't there, but God bless her for trying.
Damn, it was not.
God bless her for trying. No, if your girl got the small yeeks, you still gotta appreciate them. Like she knows. You don't think she don't feel bad? You think she don't go on fucking postbigfinds.com and see the big yeeks? And she's like, oh, she had bigger yeeks. And you don't want to give your girl a complex about her small butt.
You know what I mean?
And then she go to DR, and then she dies from like silicone or some shit. Or
crazy.
fix a flat on her butt. No. Appreciate the small yeeks.
Yo, Cher's last tweet was, "Look, motherfucker, I built and run a school, and we have the highest scholastic rating in the city. Doesn't GOP care what poison water will do to their, in quotes, children? Exclamation point, question mark, skull, skull, skull. Dumping coal mining waste into rivers and streams will kill all living things. Exclamation, exclamation." Is this woke Cher? She used to just tweet straight nonsense about horses and shit.
No, she's woke now, but
Is she woke now?
she's still probably a zombie.
Whoa.
So. Do you hear that delicious crunch, y'all?
No.
Those crunches are divided. Today's sponsor, we're sponsored by Funyuns.
Yo, shut the
Onion
Funyuns.
flavored rings. Are you going on a date? Don't eat these. You have to be in a specific place in life to eat Funyuns. You have to have enough money that you be like, nigga, you gonna smell my breath.
I don't give a fuck with you. Yo. Nigga said, I smoke Newports, and my breath smell like weed. Is that my second Nori reference today?
Like third.
Yeah? Wow, I'm out here. Shut the Nori.
Even Nori's listening to this like, well, what? Why is he referencing me so
Holy
much?
moly, guacamole. This nigga referenced me a lot. Yo, shout out to Nori for getting drunk every single time I've seen him, B.
Listen, we were all,
Salute that man.
we've all been there.
Je suis Nori.
Funyuns, Funyuns.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Where you get those fun of onion flavor? Why we eat onions in public?
I mean, your man on that fucking flight, nigga.
Damn.
That nigga's the king of eating onions in public.
Like eating onions, that's a very provocative statement.
Wow.
That's like what Russia did by having their boat like mad close to Delaware, was it?
Yeah.
Yo, this is
That's
ill.
like eating onions in public. Like, yo,
Fam.
you are provoking a situation. You want a response.
Yo, dog, this is so wild. And like, yo, honestly, like, yo, Donald Trump is the worst possible person to deal with this shit, B, because he's such an impulsive fucking wing that like the nigga go to war with Russia. You know what I'm saying? Or not?
He can't go to war
or
with
he'll
him.
go to, or he'll do some other stupid shit. Like I don't. The problem is that you don't know what the fuck the nigga's gonna do.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
That's true.
Like,
I feel like
everybody else was predictable.
this bullshit is good for him because he could be like, yo, if I was banging with Russia, why would Russia be spying on us? But at the same time, if he was spying with Russia, but having that boat there is very convenient and
You know
shit.
what I mean?
Any other president probably would have reacted differently. We don't know because if he releases his taxes, niggas can see where he's getting his money. If he getting
on.
this Kremlin money.
Gremlin money. Yo. Yo. Oh my god. Yo.
They're gonna open his taxes. It's gonna be like you got a $4 billion check from Georgie.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, he's from Georgie and Popov.
Niggas paid him in fucking vodka and shit. It's not the best. It's not top shelf.
But it does the trick. It gets me lit. Melania, I blow that back out for several hours.
They said she's very unhappy. She does not like being the president's wife. Think about it. She was just trying to get a sugar daddy. She ain't signed up for all this shit.
Yeah, it's too much. Now she got to read and talk to people and shit. She probably wasn't trying to do none of that.
It's like when you dating a girl and like shit is mad cool, and then all of a sudden like one of her parents dies, and then like an aunt dies, and you're like, whoa, I've known you for 4 weeks. I did not. This is my. Ma, this would be my second funeral. I only own one suit.
Yo, come on.
Like,
yo, the crying every 2 hours thing is really
like
draining.
this was cool, but you are going through a lot right now.
Yeah, so.
And then, like, in the group chat and shit, you start calling her the Black Hand of Death. You're like, Death McGee got me coming out again this weekend.
Yo, the necromancers out here.
Jeez Louise. Gotta find out how much family members she has left because, God, like, I don't know what I'm going to do next Saturday.
Yo.
It's sad, but it's true.
Damn, that's terrible.
What's terrible? That joke or that life?
Life, man.
Life
Life is life. Is Anthony Hamilton, right?
That was Casey and JoJo.
Casey and JoJo? Oh, shit.
From the movie.
From the movie Life.
Life.
Yeah. Does
With
Anthony
Martin-
Hamilton got a song called Life?
Yeah, probably.
Probably. They got like an album called Life.
Anthony Hamilton's been through some stuff. So
Yeah, serious.
He was one of the Tuskegee Airmen, so let him
You
cook.
know what I'm saying?
Yo, he got like black people's pain in his voice. He's
Yo,
like,
bro.
yeah.
He's like marching to Selma in the track.
When he sings, that's like me at 3 a.m. when I leave voicemails and shit and audio notes. So like,
Yo, audio
girl,
notes are
pick up your
wild.
phone.
Shout out to sneaky audio notes.
I just got up on audio notes because I am a sinner reformed. I'm no longer a droid boy.
Yeah.
I'm a droid boy.
I'm a droid boy.
No, I'm learning all the iMessage shit. I'm finding out that like not everyone upgrades to the latest iOS. So sometimes like I'll send someone emoji and they don't get it because they're like, yo, I'm still on like I have a 5, and I'm just like, oh
word, damn, wow, I give that shit to my kids.
Wow. Mero's kids use that to like balance the table.
Come
That's
on, you kidding me? Niggas playing Angry Birds on that.
No, it's like they're trying to come up with something like that for Droid, but let's be for real. Apple knows as long as they got FaceTime and iMessage, they're good.
Oh, they're good money.
They're not even gonna get started on AirDrop, which is pretty amazing.
Yo, it's wild because I'm like, yo, I for some reason I almost never used that shit until we got to Vice, but then like everybody got this iPhones and it's like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi up there is popping.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Vice takes care of this shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Not gonna name other companies that we work for whose Wi-Fi was whack.
Sus.
They had the low T Wi-Fi.
The wild low T.
You know that's an insult on the internet now for like
low T?
For right wingers and like Trump supporters. They say liberals have low T. They're like, what's the matter? You have low T. You need a safe space. You snowflake. But the funny part about that
Do they know like hood liberals? Like they know, right?
They don't. They always get into like bad. Like that's why they don't hop in my mentions because they know I'll flame you, boy. Flame you, boy. Put gasoline on your house. Burn it down.
You know what I'm saying? Like left eye to that nigga.
When I'm on the Twitter, don't jump in my mentions. I will flame you, boy. Do a color purple just about Twitter. Just about white people hopping my mentions. Take it to the juke joint.
You know what I'm saying?
But no, like the whole low T thing comes from pharmaceutical ads where they were like, "Hey man, are you over 40? You're losing testosterone." And it's like, yeah, no shit, Sherlock. That's how the human body works.
Yeah.
So now that low T replacement therapy, it's like
Gives you
straight
more
testosterone, which you should not be doing because it shrinks your balls.
Yeah, it does.
So people calling you low T, like they want you to take medicine to make your balls
shrink
shrink.
your balls? Nah, I'm gonna get my
And
balls
if you ever
out.
look at like the side effects of the low T medicine and shit, it's like, yo, pregnant women should not handle the bottle. You know what I'm saying? They're like, wash the counter after you take this shit.
Yikes.
Like, that shit is like that. Like, who needs that shit?
What the fuck?
Fuck that. Get yourself a little
Oh,
root.
what does that even do? Like make you more aggressive? Like what does it do? Make your hair grow?
Yeah,
Like, what
it
is
does,
it?
like, it makes you feel supposedly young or whatever. It's like, listen, people, men in their 40s are one of the most gullible demographic in the whole entire world. They buy Harleys, Ferraris, pussy, hair. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking massive amounts of gear.
You're halfway
Like-
to death. And you're looking and you're like, yo, wow, I'm older than I could be the father of every one of these NBA players or any one of these MLB players or NFL players. And women ain't looking at you the same. And you're like, yo, what am I doing? I still got it.
Yeah.
I'm still cool, right? And they're like, no, nigga, you got Skechers.
The ill shit niggas, now I watch NBA games and I'm like, yo, the dudes that they're talking about and are saying like, yo, these niggas are washed. Like Carmelo Anthony is fucking washed. And he's turned 33 years old yesterday. I was like, I'm like, yo, what do you mean? Does that mean I'm washed? It's too early. Jay was like, yo, 30's the new 20, nigga. I'm so hot still.
He was like 60 when he said that, though. So, I don't know. No way. I don't know Jay-Z's age.
God damn you, man, Hov.
Because he went into that whole thing with Jim Jones, and Jim Jones was like, if you're 40 and I'm 30, then how you... It was a mess.
It was a lot. It was
a
messy.
mess.
Niggas be getting messy out here. I was on fucking
2:30 white planes. Me and my shorty were riding the train. I saw you.
No, I was on Instagram Live. I don't know if y'all peeped me. Yo, shout out to you for jumping in the Instagram Live, yo. We had the wild, like, hood, like, gang nigga moment, like when you don't see somebody for like 2 days. And it's like, yeah, my niggas out here, yeah, nigga,
like,
yeah, fuck any nigga up, was good.
I was so
gang.
Somebody was like, yo, who will win in a fifth fight? And my nigga Mero was like, why would there be a fifth fight? Ain't no fifth fight. It's gang out here. Like, yo, I was like, gang, nigga, emoji. I was so drunk. I was so drunk when I saw that. I was like, yeah, my nigga out here on Instagram.
Bro, it was so smack.
Because Instagram stitches is like, yo, the Kid Mero is live. I was like, it's live. Trying to get live like a wire. I set the microphone out fire.
That's right. Niggas had me freestyling out there. It was fucking ridiculous. Cause yo, I'll be smoking to L, and then like I watch the show. You know the routine. Like I watch the show, like game film. You know what I mean? And then like after the show, you know what I'm saying, the other joint comes on from yesterday, so I'll leave that on, and then I'll just start fucking around on live and shit. But then, like, I already have smoked the L by the time, like, the first show is over. So then I roll another L, and I'm like, yo, let me go on live. And that L was usually the L that I smoke half of, and then leave half for later. Nigga.
Not this time.
On these sessions, I'll be smoking through that
whole
whole
thing?
shit like.
Pull it to the
You know what I'm saying?
face. We have a new email.
Oh, shit.
Just to let y'all know.
It's good.
Shout out to Desus and Mero.
Yeah.
Pick up the latest issue of Entertainment Weekly.
Oh shit, we out there.
Because we are the number 2 show on the must list
Oh shit.
in the current issue.
Squad.
Just got the email. Pick up that Entertainment Weekly.
Yo.
Thank you, Perry.
Thanks, Perry. Shout out to Miss Perry Cohen.
You know what I mean?
Can we get
Mark a little shout?
And shout out to Mark.
Yo,
Mark,
shout to my nigga Mark Lepus.
Lepus?
I call him Lepus.
I call
yeah.
him Lepus, yeah.
Well,
You
man,
know what
he
I'm
had
saying?
boot on foot. He no longer has that. He's now healed.
You know what I mean?
Mr. Make the cars appear.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
You feel me?
Mr. Get me a bacon, egg, and cheese no matter
You know
what
what I
building
mean?
we're in.
You know what I'm saying? More relevant in PR than Daddy Yankee.
Let him
You know
know.
what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's a double entendre. Don't ask me how.
You know what I'm saying? We out here. Yo, I feel.
AKA Mr. New in town.
You
know what I'm saying?
You know what that is. That's an in joke. Now, when you see him come down the hallway at an event, you're like, all right.
Yeah.
I can relax now.
Yeah, shit is good money.
All right,
Yeah.
I know I'm not gonna be outside of the studio.
Yep.
Like, oh, excuse me, are you my car? I'm like a little kid when they lose their parents. I'm like, are you my car? Are you my car?
Yo, actually, I was just thinking, I was like, yo, Entertainment Weekly has featured us the most out of any publication. So shout out to y'all.
Shout out to Entertainment Week.
You know what I'm
They featured Desus versus Mero.
Was it early in the game?
I think maybe Uncommon Sense. Maybe I don't know.
I don't know about that, but like we definitely, but it was like us. It wasn't like this other thing that they're on. It was like these niggas here.
These niggas here.
You know what I'm saying?
They were like, it's problematic, but shout out to all my white people trying to put other white people onto Desus and Mero.
Yeah.
And doing mad caveats and disclaimers before, and you're like, listen, it's a little spicy.
It's a little
aggressive.
The language is a little aggressive, a little bit.
Aggressive, a little rough.
A little rough,
But just stick to it.
Listen,
Give it a chance.
Give it a chance. Let me tell you something. These guys are super smart. Don't let the vernacular fool you.
They use the N-word a lot. Just ignore that.
Just what I mean.
When they say white people, they don't mean us.
They don't mean us.
They mean the other white
They
people.
mean you know what they mean. You know what I mean. They mean like your uncle. You know
Brenda at Curves.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. You know.
It's good.
Yeah. Donna at the library, like her. You know. The MAGAs. You know the deplorables.
Honk if you love Trump.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your wife. How about her? Yeah.
Yeah.
The bitch with the mullet at Waffle House.
Let's go back out here.
We need to start doing remote shoots. We should do a live show from the most racist Waffle House we could think of.
True.
Yeah, we just sit down with the Klan.
Yeah, we should.
Would that normalize the KKK? If we had let's have a Grand Dragon on our show.
You know what's crazy? I was watching the Hate Thy Neighbor joint. Shout out to Jamali
And
Maddox.
he's like, not gonna work.
Yeah, he's like, nah. He's like,
No, we already got him in the system. Yeah. We already got his social security number.
Yeah, we've. But nah, I was watching that Hate Thy Neighbor shit, and like, he doesn't even have to try to make them look dumb. You know what I'm saying? Like they just do it themselves. Like he's just asked them straightforward questions, and they just answer and look like wild assholes.
That's what happened with like Tommy Lorraine when she was on the Bill Maher show.
Yeah, yo, she got cooked.
But now Bill Maher's trying to have Milo on, and people were like, "Nah, I'm not fucking with the shit." So.
Yeah, no, get that dude out of here.
I mean, you don't need that. If you want hard hitting political satire on TV, I mean, if you want that at 11 p.m. Monday through Thursday,
you feel me? Take Friday off and chill. By the way, I think they play all 4 episodes from that week on Friday, starting at like 10 o'clock.
Look at how gassed we are. We are on this podcast talking about our TV show.
Come on, guys.
And when it repeats.
Like, yo, let's be real.
Did you ever go back and listen to old Desus versus Mero's?
All the time.
Nigga.
I put on Vice and I just scroll through like and see like I watch Bang Appleseed, I watch a bunch of other shit.
No, Desus versus Mero.
Oh, the older shit.
The old
shit.
shit.
Yeah, the shit still pops up in like my related
YouTube.
YouTube.
I look at it, I'm like, I don't know her.
Who's that? Oh, that's my cousin. He was that's my fat cousin.
I watched it, I'm like,
wilding.
wow. Like we were both fatter there.
Yeah.
How is that possible? How did I lose weight?
How we broke her but fatter?
You know, because we were eating trash
Garbage,
back then.
yeah.
I was surviving on donut sticks and Newport butts.
Bryce, so much dollar pizza.
Dog, all I was eating
so much Kennedy fried combos,
shrimp fried rice.
Bro, every lunch was fucking a Kennedy fried cheeseburger combo that the dude always let me not pay him the quarter. Yeah. Shit was $4.25.
And you're like, yo, I got the 4. Come on. Come on, man.
Yo.
I bought a box of Entourage. I put the car pull over. For BC Dub.
Nice.
I was like, yo, hold up, I gotta run to get the Entourage. And the guy was like, $4.25 for $5.25 for a box of Entourage. Yeah. I was like, what? That was like $5. Yeah. I was like, I got a quarter on me. I was like, can I owe this to you? He was like, you're not coming back. And I was like, man, hurt. I was like,
nigga, do you know who I am?
I was like, really? I was like, that's the life you live in? I was like, you have no faith in this neighborhood?
I mean,
you think I'm not coming back?
The Bronx will break you.
I came back a month later. I came back a month later. I gave him the quarter. I was like, see? And he was like, what is this for?
What are you talking
And I was
about?
like, you get me slide on the odds? And he was like, oh shit, wow. Then look at his face was like, wow, I'm not, I was going to burn my store down for the insurance money, but now I'm going to keep it open.
Now, thank you. You know
I'm pretty sure he got robbed though. He didn't have enough bulletproof glass.
I mean, sometimes stores got to get robbed. And there's insurance for that, no? Am I bugging?
Yeah.
I never owned a bodega.
Yeah.
My uncles did. I don't know about the paper.
Also, you know what's interesting?
For a bodega, like for a jukes. Like, yo, if my bodega gets jukes, I have insurance to cover losses and shit. Yeah.
This is shut down. Also, what's interesting is we're at the stage of our life where if we have friends that did dumb shit in high school, they're just getting out of jail now.
That's true.
If they did like serious bad shit.
Yeah.
Cause my boy just got out for like the wild double murder.
Yeah.
And shout to him trying to acclimate to society since he's been locked up since he was 17.
Dog, I know a nigga went in 96 and came out 2015. I was just like, bruh, that is a long ass time.
Yeah.
That is a long ass time to be in jail, fam. Like, the world is completely different.
That's like starting Game of Thrones right now.
Yeah.
You don't know, you don't know what's going on. There's context clues, but you already lost that. Fuck.
I'm like, fam. Yo, nigga, first of all, we're not wearing any of that shit that you got right here.
What do you mean we're not wearing pure players?
I can't throw on my Mecca half zip?
What about my HBC, my HBCU sweater?
The African American college student shit. Yo,
man.
The hat with the tie at the top and shit. Like, yo.
Oh,
shit.
fuck. That's not funny.
I mean, you know.
Shut down Rikers.
Yo, shut
I don't
down.
know.
That's
I feel
fine.
so. Every time I hear the shut down Rikers thing, I feel kind of like,
Listen, shut down Rikers or have a massive overhaul of what Rikers is. Rikers is like supposed to be like county. Like you're there to do a short 3 months of whatever.
2 years.
Maximum.
more than 2 years.
Yeah, no more than 2 years.
unless they fuck up your paperwork, you can be on Rikers Island.
You
for 7
could.
years.
That's another thing. That's
Yeah.
another reason why it's like, yo, you need oversight or shut it down.
Yeah.
It's a transitional place, my nigga. You go from either there, you out of there, or you go to fucking actual prison. So it's like y'all can fix that. Like, there's a way to do that without.
They
fucking
should make a new prison and be like, yo, like you can only tweet once. You can stay home.
Right.
You can't leave your house. You can only tweet once a day,
Right.
and you can only be with your girl.
Yo, you know what's crazy?
That's your new prison.
This is a wild theory that I was just thinking about because I'm wild smacked and I got
Fuck
the
it.
whole combination of narcotics.
Took that talk, daddy.
What if instead of going to jail, you had to be on house arrest, right?
Mm-hmm.
You had to be on house arrest, and if you violated your house arrest, you had to somehow. Yeah, well, that's a little extra. Yeah, I mean,
Well, I
I
missed a
thought
step
that.
there.
I thought that for a second, then I was like, well, you niggas can't just kill you. But I was like, something money related because money makes the world go round.
But
babe.
you can't, because what if you're poor? What if you're like,
That's true.
It's like now, okay, what if you're poor and like you're a taxpayer, you're hard working and shit.
Yeah.
Now you find like that. Or what if you just have no money and you're just going to wild out anyway because there's no
That's true.
repercussions
Yeah,
for
I
you.
got shit. Fuck you. Damn. That's wild. See, niggas gotta solve
But this is like, why is prison the solution? Like what?
Yeah.
Like you committed a crime. It's like, what made you commit the crime? The whole idea of prison is like, yo, you committed a crime because you wanted to.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's not like you were forced into a situation.
Yeah.
If you killed somebody that was abusing you, do you deserve to go to jail?
You know what I'm saying? That's really up
Or
for
we just
debate.
have this
Like,
hard on about
you know what I'm
locking
saying?
niggas up in this country?
That's what it is.
Are we scared of the problems we created through white patriarchy?
That's right. 667.
Okay, the house will never be destroyed by the tools created by the master.
Right.
So that's why we gotta take it down by the
Yaku.
roots. Yaku. And that's why Donald Trump's presidency is the last gasp of white patriarchy.
Overstand, you white devil.
And they're gonna go down in flames.
That's right.
The people will not stand for this and resist
Free,
arms.
Brother Jesus, free.
We bring them down with our art emojis.
Slave these devils.
Okay? In the future, there will be no perms. Just natural hair.
Whoa, I don't know about that, my nigga. My perm is kind of wavy. You know what I'm saying? My shit.
Yeah, shout out to Malcolm X. Remember that scene in Malcolm X where he's like giving himself the perm in the toilet with the conch? Are we bringing the conch back for the summer?
Like, conch?
Wait till you see me in.
Didn't fucking Chris Brown do that shit for like a hot 3 months?
I don't know if he did a conch or if he just burned his hair while lighting a dab.
That could've been-
It could have been anything.
Could've been anything.
He lives a wild life and shit. He had his baby holding the shit like he's like.
Yeah, I want to.
Started doing the fucking flips and shit. Like,
I smoked weed with Brownie on camera yesterday. She was chilling though. She didn't mind.
Oh my god, sounds really bad.
This
Video. Is just, are we gonna do I have to open my computer right now to check TMZ? Peter's like tweeting about you, like, oh
Yeah.
free brownie.
Yeah.
It's like a hashtag and shit. That's my new fear, like waking up and having anything from our show trending.
Oh shit! You don't know why?
I have no idea
That
why.
that 10 seconds of like while you boot the shit up to be like, yo, what's going on? What is it? What is it?
when
What
you
is it?
click it and it's just like this is Mero trending, and I'm like, why? That happens a lot on Facebook when like one of our viral clips goes one of our clips goes viral, and it's just like people are just comment and people are like, this is racist,
Yeah.
this is racist, this is racist. Oh my god, take this off the air. Who's this guy?
No
This guy's
idea.
racist.
Niggas are doing numbers on Facebook. I had no idea.
Yeah, we have one. We had one clip. This is like 800,000 or some shit like that.
God damn.
I mean,
Yo, the strength of the brand is
the brand is so strong. The
increasing
brand is at the
exponentially.
point where it might be too strong. It might be
too strong.
It might be Shadow of the Colossus strong. Someone's gonna crawl into our underbelly.
Yeah.
That was a great game. Why don't they remake that for Xbox One?
Right?
They remastered it.
They
At least
remastered it?
for PS4, yeah.
Oh, I'm
and
sorry.
they bundled it with, I think, Icarus.
Oh,
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
What was your favorite?
you play video games that are remastered? Because I'm a free man. I don't play anything without master.
Oh shit!
That's how woke I
it was
am. I don't
actually-
pick the cotton out of aspirin.
What'd you play it on? Because it actually came out originally for PS2.
Oh.
And then I played it on PS3.
Oh.
And now they have it for the PS4.
Hey, you.
What's your
feeling
favorite,
slack? Here comes Victor with those fucking facts. Fucking facts.
Sack-a-doodly-doo.
Do. We're gonna make a game called Street Factor, and it's gonna be like Victor versus Neil deGrasse Tyson.
Oh shit, yo.
He's coming on the show me
shit.
first. I see you, Neil.
Victor opens up quadratic equation.
Yo, Neil just throws him an iPhone. He's like, "You're gonna need this fucking wing." Man, he puts on a fucking blindfold and shit. Like,
Uptight.
Victor uses special power. He's like, "What was the top grossing independent film for 2015?" And Neil deGrasse Tyson like,
Ali.
"Do you lose?"
Oh no! Niggas falls into a pit. Yeah.
Facts always win. Victor got the big anime eyes, like, yo. You might defeat me, but you can never defeat my textbook. His corner man is an actual, like, human little textbook with eyes. Like,
Yo, it's the Microsoft Word, like, paper
little
clip.
kid, he's like, yo, what's
he's
going
like
on?
massaging his shoulders, like, yo, it looks like you're trying to fuck him up. Need some help?
Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, I feel like, has a rapper taken an L? I feel like there's been a rapper L that has been taken very recently, and I don't know what it is. It's eluding me right now.
Travis Scott fell off the stage at a Drake concert. There's that.
Yo.
That was all right.
Was that it?
See, those videos are funny, but then it's just like, then we'll meet Travis Scott, and he'll be like, yeah, like I broke a rib, and I'll be like, damn,
That sucks.
that wasn't funny at all.
Yeah. Because, when I actually, you know what? I actually didn't even laugh. I felt mad bad when Slim Jimmy fell through that speaker.
Yeah, I felt terrible. I was like, damn.
And he was like, it cut his whole leg open. I was like,
damn, that's I tweeted, I was like, yo, shout out to the homie.
Yo, man.
Like, I was like, yo.
Feel better.
People was like, yo, that's funny. That's not funny. These are real people.
Yeah.
Damn, are we turning into like celebrities of real people?
You need to feel that. You need to see their humanity, Jesus.
Oh my God, we are literally turning into people that Jesus versus Mero with the flames. We have come full circle. They were like, look, why they always wear hats? Them niggas is bald.
Yeah.
Why this nigga Mero always got kids and shit? This nigga Desus always got like white shit in the corner of his mouth.
Yeah.
Who's that? He don't date black women, but he lets a black woman lay him off. Fuck that show.
Yeah, I can't wait till niggas come out with the Replicel and we just come out with the wild fucking cornrows. Backwards, all stupid, nigga getting dreads and all types of wild shit. Fuck y'all.
I'm gonna get the little Yachty. The little Uzi.
The little Uzi joints?
dreads, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. Yo. Yo, he's damn, this nigga's winning, yo.
Is he? I feel like we're winning. We're not winning like that.
And it's funny because I'm such an idiot, B. Like my definition of winning is that your man had that fucking 4.5 minute Target ad at the Grammys, bro. I'm not. Listen, I know it's all jokes and shit on Twitter. I was low key actually tight. Like, yo, they got this nigga. Yo, they got you, son. I'm out here repping the set all day, son. Got the hashtags and shit.
Well, you have to think about the corporate meeting at Target headquarters.
Thank you.
And they were like, Little Yachty is very popular. Very popular with teens. And someone was like, well, what about the Plantain Supernova? And they was like, who? They was like, this guy. And then they played a portion of the podcast. He's like, yeah, when I was smacked with my fucking kids at Target. We actually had a smacked at Target challenge, my nigga. We're actually telling people to go to Target to do drugs, drive in a car, and go to Target with their children.
Yeah.
And you wonder why Target did not call you. Target has a picture of you with your dab pen. Like, do not give this guy ad campaigns as if you shoplifted.
Yo, Target, make it happen, yo.
The marketing departments are like, who should we do for? They're like, anyone except Kid Mero. And the sad part is, by them blocking you, guess who else gets blocked?
Oh, no. You don't want to Target.
Hotel Rwanda Desus over here. Yeah. Okay? The Bronx Black Don Chittle. That's where I get my kitty litter, nigga.
That's what you niggas don't even let you in the store.
The other day I went to Target. I was driving to Target and I pulled over 3 blocks away from my house and came back. Because I had on red and I was like, yo, I forgot. You gotta treat Target like that shit's a Crip neighborhood. Yo. Do not go in there with no red unless you want niggas asking you where's the mouthwash or shit.
Yo, what's good? Asking you codes. Yo, what that mouthwash be like?
Like, even the other employees be like, yo, we gotta staff me. And I'm like, I don't work. Rashad, come on.
Yo,
I'm
stop
like, I don't work.
I'm not Rashawn.
I'm not only do I not work here,
man.
I've been waiting for Daryl to relieve me. My break is at 2.
Come on, sound like this. Really
I've been working this register for like 4 hours now.
Like, I don't even, I got no working papers.
How are you doing? Welcome to Target. Do you have a rewards card?
Would you like to?
Would you like to sign up? It's very fast.
Yo, what is the fuck in your computer, nigga? I feel like this is computer related.
Mm-hmm. Talk to me.
The rewards card is simply a means to gather data on your shopping habits.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Okay, good. I thought that was just paranoid Mr. Robot Mero thinking that.
No, they also sell they can also sell your info.
They sell your info, but yes. And they can predict your shopping habits, so they can send you coupons for shit. That's a girl on Twitter, true story. Her father found out she was pregnant because Target started sending her like baby
Plan B
shit.
pills or baby shit?
Target don't send you Plan B pills. Target's not like, yo, I seen you outside last night with that wild dub. Please do not procreate with that nigga. Here's 50% off on Plan B pills. But no, they were sending her like baby shit. And like the father was like, why are you sending my daughter like... But she had purchased like a pregnancy test and some other shit. And Target was like, girl. Or that wicker chair now. But yeah, now you want to get scary? Think about it. If you have a rewards card for Target, now you have one for Bed Bath & Beyond. Right. Now you have one for Stop and Shop. Now you have one for Whole Foods.
Right. They know which ones you're going to, what you're buying.
All those things. Those are all 4 different databases. It's just one simple command to make a join table. Shout out my MySQL and PostgreSQL nerds out there talking that fucking, you know what I'm saying?
Computer
we don't got that Oracle DB money, but we out here. You do a join of all these database tables, and it's very simple to get a complete scope of your whole entire life, of all your purchasing habits. Now add to that your Wi-Fi shit from AT&T or whoever you get your Wi-Fi from. Because let's be honest. Do you think Optimum is just giving you Wi-Fi? Optimum is not like filtering your shit to see what sites you're going to and like custom tailoring ads to your shit?
Damn, thank God I never use that shit except in public.
People forget this. There was a time very quickly on the internet where a lot of internet people, if you typed in the wrong web address, like say you're trying to go to like hotmail.com, you typed in like hotmail.cm, your local cable provider, an error message with their banners would pop up. Which is like, that's not how the internet works. You can't do that shit. But they were getting ads off of that, and they had to go to like court to change all that shit.
Wow.
They had to go to ICANN,
Yo.
the ICANN, the international community about names and numbers.
Who heads that shit up? Like,
it's in like Geneva and shit.
The internet is fucking lawless, B. Who's the nigga that was like, yo, I am the boss of the internet. I'm starting to be the boss of, like, who
There's no boss of the internet.
That's
every
3 organizations, ICANN being one.
ICANN basically runs the show on there, that shit.
I want to say WIPO, but...
No, they're not. They don't have as much pull. ICANN runs the
property.
shit.
White people?
Worldwide.
Yeah, white people definitely.
White people run the internet.
Yeah, white people, yeah, they do.
No, when Al Gore invented the internet, he was like, you guys can have it. I don't need it. I'm growing a beard.
He's like, yo.
He's like, yeah, niggas don't want to let me. You think Al Gore and Hillary, like, he calls Hillary, like, yo, Hillary, I know what it feels like, my nigga.
Yo, man.
That's
like Charles Barkley and fucking Patrick Ewing, like, having a drink together and shit, like, yo.
Al Gore calls Hillary Clinton the way fucking, shit, I guess someone from Atlanta calls Russell Wilson? I didn't think that went through, but yeah. Like, he was right there, my nigga.
You took me there.
He was right there, my nigga.
Yo, he's right there. Yo, and I read, I don't know, Twitter is full of
You
lies,
are fake news.
but Hillary's thinking
Fake
about
news.
fake news. Hillary's thinking about running again. I'm like, yo, you're bugging. I'm like, yo, you can't do that. I was like, yo, run for mayor of New York.
How old is she gonna be in 2020?
Yeah, like,
You know what? That doesn't even matter because Donald Trump is fucking 71 years old. So.
he is, and he's Taco
She may
Balls.
not have to wait 4 years.
Ooh, fuego, take
Ooh, I
from
hope you-
Victor Hugo.
I hope you got that same flavor when Secret Service pulls up at Red Bull Studios. Like,
My nigga, you better have that same energy, nigga, when I pull up.
what's funny is like when
about
when Obama was popping, like people on Twitter was like, "Yo, I'm gonna kill this nigga, I'm gonna lynch this nigga."
Yeah,
Whatever.
all day.
Donald Trump easily got to be getting more death threats, but not like because like you got little kids like, "Yo, I'm gonna kill Donald Trump."
Yeah.
On Twitter, like they don't know what that
Yeah.
means, but Secret Service still has to investigate that. So, and there's a video of Secret Service wild stress at Mar-a-Lago. Because they had to start searching cars, and these niggas was like in their regular clothes. They wasn't expecting all this shit.
Bruh.
And they like one of the leaks was like they're tight of his shit. This motherfucker like like if you're the president, they're like, yo, you come off the plane, you walk directly to that door, you go inside there. He wants to go off and shake hands over here because he thinks this shit is like a fucking he thinks I'm like a rap promo tour and shit. He thinks he's fucking fake. He's like hanging. He got Feds magazine like yo, number one in the streets, my nigga.
Yeah, it was good.
Yo, me and Alpo.
It was shaking.
What's
before.
up?
That was
Shout out to
my
all my
nigga.
niggas behind the G wall.
You dig? That was
Yo.
my nigga before he snitched.
Shake your nuts and stay humble, my nigga. I got money on your books. Donald Trump out here, Feds magazine. Finally, every dimension of the streets.
Yo, the security at fucking Don Coquille is tighter than the fucking security at these shits, bro. It's
And
crazy.
Secret Service feels some kind of way because you don't want to be the Secret Service agent unless the president get killed on your watch and shit.
Yeah.
It's not you gonna feel bad and shit.
Yeah.
But then like niggas gonna have mad jokes and shit on you when you come
Yeah.
back to work and shit. You
That's
got that. I'm sure you get 2 weeks off. You just sit on your couch eating like ice cream and
Man,
shit.
chilling, but
Fucking Chris Matthews got you feeling tight and shit. It's like, could this have been evaded? Could this Secret Service agent have stopped the president from being assassinated?
Today on Hardball, is this guy a dick? He could have stopped the president from getting killed, but he didn't.
You sit in there.
Could he do it?
You just sit in your yoga sweats, like eating, like, fuck you, Chris.
This wig right here could have saved the president's life, but he didn't.
I froze up.
wow, sounds to me like you're a tremendous pussy.
I was under a lot of stress. You
We have Juan Dixon on the line. What do you think, Juan? Yeah, I think he's wild pussy.
You come back to work and shit. This is like bad. They're like, hey, you know.
Yo, it happens to everybody,
it
my
happens to
nigga.
everyone,
I mean, not
yeah.
really everybody. Like, none of us have happened, but you, but, you know, whatever.
Oh shit, shoot a duck! Still out. 4 for flinching.
Fuck out of here. Chris Matthews was right. You are bad
You are
pussy.
pussy and shit. Listen,
To be clear, I was talking about impeachment. No one's trying to murder the president.
nah. Nobody's trying to kill the president. That's the other thing. Like the Secret Service, they're not dumb. They're not going to every. They're listening to some death threats. They're like, yeah, Desus and Mero are coming to kill the president.
Yeah, give me a break.
They're like, Mero barely showed up for the podcast.
You know
This
what I'm
nigga Desus is drunk all the time. How exactly are they pulling this shit off?
Give me a break.
If we
Give me a
if,
break.
the sad thing is, if we did try that, like we'd be at some rally and like Mero would reach into his jacket and they'd be like, "Gone!" And Mero pulls out the wild blood. Like, no, it's Skittles.
No, like, are you kidding me?
He's like, yo, you wanna like click, click, click? Like, Mass Secret Service agents got the gun on you and shit. You're like, yo, chill.
Chill, nigga.
It's OG Kush. I got it from Gas Man.
Does that shit got a lighter on it?
Like, yo, they chill out, man.
Yo. Oh, man.
Remember when Obama was doing like he was shaking hands at some autograph shit, and a guy in a horse mask like ran up and shook his hand, and everybody was like, "Yo, what the fuck, Secret
What
Service
is-
is doing?" Not for nothing. Shout out to Secret Service for getting Obama through it, but there was like a couple of niggas bucked a shot through Obama's house.
Yo.
Like,
They really disrespecting niggas.
uh-huh.
When I catch you niggas, I'm gonna protect the niggas.
Niggas had fucking drones coming in his house and shit.
That's wild. Remember, didn't homie land the fucking gyrocopter on the
Yes!
lawn and shit? Come on,
Niggas
B.
A dude ran in with a knife.
The
Don't you
knife.
remember? He made it into the White House.
Yo, come on, son.
And then I think the cop was playing, the Secret Service guy was playing Candy Crush or something, and that's why he didn't like tackle him in time.
Nigga. I can't even get into Sue's rendezvous with weed in my butt, nigga. And y'all niggas is getting into the White House like with knives and weapons and shit. Get the fuck out of
When I
here.
was on my way here, there was a Tony Yeo lyric. He was like, "Remember moving packs from my doo-doo on my packs because I had them in my butt," and I was like, "Wow." I was like, "We have come so far," because at one point in my life I could relate to that. Give a nigga a bag of coke, like, yo, don't sniff that, don't smell that.
Yeah.
God's working on us. We're all riding our own horses, you know what I'm
That's
saying?
right, galloping down life.
We're all just here trying not to get typhoid.
That's true. Typhoid is that new shit?
Nah,
It's a rat piss. The rat piss in the Bronx. We got niggas shook and nervous and sick, but it's just 3 people, so it's all good.
What's cool is there's about to be there's either gonna be a strain of marijuana called rat piss or a new bag of heroin called rat piss. Oh, can't wait.
That rat piss is gonna be woo.
I was on the stream. I heard they had the rat piss.
Oh yeah, I've been. Wow, I'm just been fucking lately with this fake news. That's the rope I've been.
No. My girl, she got a hot bag of Sean Spicer.
Oh yeah.
And oh man,
Yeah.
yeah. They say the leaks are real. The fake news was fake.
I like that. Oh, papi, look at this. I got a bag right here. Let me see what I got right here.
I stole a baby. If we could sell this, we could probably get 2 or 3 bags.
Oh, you got a baby, my nigga?
It's a Moreno though, so I can't get that much.
Okay.
We could throw some bleach on it. It's just dirty. It was on the floor.
Okay. I got this right here.
I think it's Tiana Taylor's baby.
Oh, that's nice. Iman Shumpert. He's
Remember he
good.
tore his ACL?
Yeah,
I tore my ACL. I was trying to steal a street light. I was trying to get the steal for it.
Damn, papi. Yo, still good. Yo, look, I got a bag right here. I'll turn into facts, papi. Let's get lit.
That's cool. Remember that thing in Rikers when we showed the cell?
Yeah.
All right. You still got no teeth? Nice.
Nah, if you're a bum, you could get your dick sucked by another bum.
Yeah, it's like it's
Like,
no,
listen.
bro, it's being homeless in New York City. It's
Nigga,
like
you
that
got-
movie. It's like that movie, The Road. Like you just gotta do what you gotta do to survive.
gotta
Out there,
survive.
baby. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
Like yo,
you playing an arcade game, you got more quarters left.
and
Like,
if you got,
just
you know what I'm
live your
saying?
life,
If
man.
you got to catch the male toppy, and that's not your persuasion, and you got to do it, just make it happen.
Just
B.
remove mail from it. It's
You
just
know what I'm
toppy.
saying? It's just toppy.
If you, I mean, I'm not homeless.
Right.
I'm not homeless shaming.
Okay.
If you feel it's important for you to get toppy while you homeless and not focus on housing, I mean,
bruh.
can you really be picky?
That's true. I feel like the priority list getting
You know what I'm
toppy
saying?
should be like.
What feels better, getting a wild dick suck while you're like laying on top of a metal grate in front of Madison Square Garden, with hoping and praying the train passes by so you get a rush of hot air
so
to warm
good.
you up, and you got Bernita giving you the sloppy toppy, or would you rather be in a house? I'm gonna go with the house.
I'm gonna go with the house.
I'm gonna go with the house. I might be spoiled.
Yeah, absolutely going with the house. You know what I'm saying? There's
I've
Wi-Fi.
never had a blowjob good enough to be like, yo, I'd be homeless for this shit.
Nah, never.
I've never had that.
Never.
I've never had a blowjob where like I'll burn down my house right now because I don't need this shit.
I don't need this shit.
I could subscribe just on blowjobs.
Top is all you need. Top is all you need.
Do 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 do. Every time we make move and shake your body. Oh.
Yo,
If someone plays that before they give you toppy, then it's like, well, okay, maybe.
Okay, yo.
If you got a theme song for the toppy,
bruh. You got the toppy anthem, nigga? The walk-up
if
music?
you got entrance music for toppy, bum, 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 bum.
My head is like a shark's fin. I'm like,
And
I
in
don't
this
know.
corner, they call her no gag reflex.
Oh, shit.
She's no cum dodger. Give it up for Tanisha. She's out there like shadow punching in the ring and shit. Like,
She got the Mayweather Mexican hat. She comes out with Justin Bieber and shit. Niggas like, it's not too late to give Tommy.
you got the wild weigh-in like the Monday before. You was like, yo, I'm just trying to get my dick sucked. She's like, ice grilling you. Like, yeah. Who's getting their dick sucked? I'm like,
She mushes
me.
your dick.
I'm like, what? Mad cameras flashing and shit.
Yeah, you mad pussy smacks your dick.
Her brother tries to hit you with a chair and shit. Like, yo, my sister's gonna fuck your dick up. I'm like, I
hope so.
I hope so.
I mean, that's the whole plan, nigga.
Why are we having a press conference?
Yeah, why is Don King here?
Only in America can you get the wild yappy. They got 2 flags and shit. I once kicked a man to death.
Yeah.
Why, yo, it's like a trending topic on Saturday night and shit. Yo, who got streamed for the Desus toppy?
The Desus toppy, yo.
The Desus toppy event shit, the pay-per-view shit.
I'm on ppv.eu.
Yo, I'm not paying $50 for this shit. VIPbox.eu and shit. How I close all these ads.
We having a toppy party, nigga, at the crib.
Yo, why the announcers are Irish? Well, here in these corners here to watch the Desus nice sloppy toppy here.
Blow me, mate.
I haven't seen a fisticuffs of this. Tanisha has her mouth guard and she spits it out.
Amazing. She's deep throating like a champion.
Now apparently she's been sucking on popsicles all week.
Oh my god, that must have her throat ready for action.
Ready for action. Now there's been some saying in her last that she uses chloroseptic to numb the back of her throat to get the big sloppy toppy action.
Oh, that's a double advantage because then she has the chloroseptic to slip under the foreskin, which is we have the foreskin penis on deck here.
That's a violation. You know that's like the Euro step. They should not allow it. They need to tighten the regulations. Also, there was a bit of a controversy last year when Tanisha, some said she dodged the cum.
Oh no!
She dodged the cum shot.
Oh,
you look at this video, she flinched shortly.
Oh my goodness.
But in the end, he did get in her nostril, in her eye.
Oh good, perfect.
We hope for a beautiful ending like that tonight. We think she's going 9 rounds.
We can only hope.
You know. Will we pay for that? Like the international blowjob competition? I'd be like,
Yo, not for nothing. There's stupider leagues out there, fam. Because I was watching Smack the other night and I seen niggas flying drones through an obstacle course.
Those shits are wild.
You know what I'm saying? And I was like, yo, and it's a league.
Right.
You know what I mean? So
but if it was like a blowjob league, you'd have to be gender fluid.
Of course, yeah. You know what I'm saying? You have but you got to separate by category.
Oh my God, imagine like the Super Bowl of like the blowjob competition. Yeah. There's like Tom Brady versus like Tanisha or
best cis het toppy, best gender fluid toppy.
Nigga down 28-3 at halftime and shit. Nigga give it in the wild press talk. They're like, yo, listen. I don't know if you don't want this, but you're not sucking the dick the way you should be sucking dick.
Listen to me. Utilize your facial hair.
Like, yo, you got more muscles in your mouth than her. What are you doing?
What are you doing out there, man?
Get out there.
Get it together.
Suck those cocks.
You can do it.
The whole team's like, suck those cocks.
Suck those cocks. Look at say, cocks on 3. 1, 2, 3, cocks.
Who's special teams on the blowjob Olympics? I don't want to know what that entails and shit.
Yeah.
Punting is like you literally are coming in like kicking the nigga that she's sucking and the dick like,
Yo, it's terrible. Yo, top of the Olympics.
I'm just standing up in a bar and shit, watching some guy give another dome. Like, come on! There's 2 minutes on the clock. You're not even in the red zone. What the fuck? Does he even want this?
This is terrible clock management.
Oh my God!
This is terrible cock management.
I'm turning to the next guy. Like, what's he doing?
Yo, what the fuck, yo? Yo, she had to open it right there, son.
Oh my God, this is the worst dick sucking I've seen in 20 years. Gotta call Mike Francesa the next one. Like, yo, Mike, first time, long time. Listen. I mean, I'm not an athlete. I could have sucked better cock than that. I mean, let
me tell you something. The last time I sucked a cock like that, it was Derek Jeter's. God bless him. Back in '96, World Series champion, captain. I love him.
That was the flip. I remember he flipped the cock to home
beautiful.
base.
It was a beautiful cocksuck that I did there.
These guys over here, I feel like if they stop concentrating on like dabbing and then
Victor, give me another Coke. Go ahead, Kevin.
It's I feel like if they'd stop wearing Black Lives Matter t-shirts and focus on like wearing sucking cocks.
Listen,
LeBron, you see LeBron, he throws the powder in the air.
Yeah,
he's not. What's he ever done for Chicago? I'm gonna hang up and listen.
Listen, let me tell you something about LeBron James. First of all, he's black. Yeah.
Someone call him Mike Francesa to let him know about the show. I want to hear his reaction.
Like these two clowns. He'll get agitated.
Oh, he will. Yeah. He'll be like, they're saying the N-word. He'd definitely be like, if I said the N-word,
God
it'd be
forbid.
God forbid.
God forbid. Obama would be up here. Al Sharpton would be up here.
He said his children listen to Rapper the Chance.
Rapper the Chance.
So, baby steps. God's working on all of us, you know.
Listen, you don't want no problems with Mike.
Oh man,
Whew, so many things.
We talked about things. There's stuff we don't have to talk about because we have the show on a device that we talk about a lot of shit. But this is the uncut. We say we don't put you on risk, but there's definitely risk here. There's definitely risk if your kids listening to this. They might become, you might walk in your kids bagging up.
They might be
Your daughter might be posting on Backpage in the massage section. Talk about she clean your house while she's naked. Ain't nobody trying to get Noah's house clean while they naked.
Come on.
We know what
time it is.
You know what it is.
I'm going to let you do the laundry and then we're going to smash and you're going to go home.
No, you're going to polish something. I ain't talking about my silverware.
Hey, slap on my neck. Like corn on my cock. Check it with me. Do your job. That's such a wild... Is there a remix of that?
There's always like a Baltimore remix. Everything.
Yeah. Shout out to all my remixes out there. Shout out to Mixpack again for no reason, just because. That's a gang.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa. Mixpack forever.
You saw him and Amber Rose. They kissed.
Yeah, they did.
But they were just like, yo.
But that's like when you see your ex somewhere and like your shorty that you was about to smash fell through and the nigga that she was about to smash fell through. That's what it is.
What I've learned, and it was brought to me this weekend, is I am very divisive with women. Like, I don't get excited for them, so they hate that, and then I'm able to cut them off completely and utterly and truly, and never talk to them again, and they also hate that. So,
I mean, they get upset,
Listen.
but you know what I'm saying? Yo, man, it's like,
that's
it's
what happens. Because you mess
life.
with Jesus, I'm gonna treat your heart like the ball in Rocket League. Is that what you want, Ma?
Is this what you want?
Is that what you want? You want to lose 6-1 to bots?
Oh, God.
That's what it is, Ma.
Yo.
But no, if it's the right time and the right time.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, not for nothing. Oh, shout out to Kanye breasts, Risa.
Oh, shit, yeah.
She's pregnant with the baby.
Shout out to you, yo.
Shout out to
Welcome to childhood.
Shout out to Black Twitter babies.
You know
Always
what
a
I'm
beautiful
saying?
thing.
Baby gang.
I think. I might be. Might be this year. Oh,
You know
I
what I'm
got
saying?
the fucking conference finals.
The aura's there.
You know, people getting down. We're gonna get down to Sweet 16. All you ladies will get a chopped cheese in the mail. Let you know.
He has no idea, but I already pitched this to the network. Like, it's getting made.
That's good.
You know what I'm saying?
We got some strong contenders. I don't want to say any names.
Yeah.
We know who the people's favorite is.
Yes.
But there might be a dark horse that comes underneath there.
That's
you know?
right. There might be some special guests that will blow your mind. You know what I mean? That have come through to do some work. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys.
Listen,
so a lot of surprises on deck.
All I want is my child to have good baby hair. That's it.
That's it.
It doesn't even have to be healthy.
Yeah. Nigga can have lupus as long as he got good
Listen,
hair.
as long as my baby can look good on Instagram, that's it. I just want to be that scumbag guy that throws the baby in my Instagram Abby for like 3 weeks, like, and then all my things are like, yo, everything I do for her. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm thinking, I got a picture of me holding her like, yo, I got a new way of thinking now.
Yeah.
It's not just me. You know what I'm saying? Talking the wild hood cliches and shit. Then a month later, I'm like, yeah, catch me as soon as rendezvous slapping on booty. In the comments, my baby's mother like, do you want to see your daughter?
That's a good thing about having a responsible mom of your child, because then you could just G off and wild out and be a scumbag.
Well, in the NDA she has to sign. She has to give her social media titles.
True.
Yeah, she can only post like Christian proverbs, recipes, and it's the Aisha Curry clause.
True.
So
Facebook exclusive.
That's it. You got to open a blog,
That's
mommy
it.
blog.
Yep.
All that shit.
You got to join like a little mom group in your neighborhood and shit, type shit. Yep.
You can hang out with other black women. None of that angry.
Nope.
Okay, it's problematic.
Nope.
I mean, you got to like Trump supporter black women.
Yeah.
The 4%.
The 4%. Don't hang out with Diamond.
Find Gloria, Michelle, Celeste, and Geraldine.
Or Silk. And get the
Diamond
money.
and Silk, right? Jesus, did you see Trump's pressure tonight? And I'll just kiss her on the forehead like, thanks for giving me a beautiful baby.
Oh my God.
All right, yeah. Well, you know what? We're being told we're getting kicked out of Red Bull Studios.
That's
they
right,
said
yo.
that we tried to threaten the president. So
We'll
they
be
would like us to
arrested.
go. They said we feel free to take as much Red Bull as possible. Be sure to look for our new Red Bull limited edition cans in stores now. The Desus and Mero, autographed by Mero.
That's right.
He did the design on it. It's chopped cheese flavored.
That's right.
It's
You know what I'm
available
saying?
uptown.
There's also a new Newport flavor coming out. It's very limited release. Newport Ashes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Now, this is the first Red Bull that actually contains actual chopped cheese, so you have to strain it with your teeth when you drink it.
You do.
It doesn't give you energy. It makes you very tired and sleepy.
Yeah, it's actually the opposite of energy drink. But it's
It's
the
a
hood
full meal.
experience. You know
It's a
what I'm
full
saying?
meal. If you have a
lot of-
compromised immune system, it's a good way to keep your caloric intake up.
10 grams of
Come on,
protein.
man. You don't have to drink it inshores all
You know what I
day,
mean?
my guy.
Only just 1,000 grams of saturated fat.
Think about it. It's called the white blood cells. Like, I mean, what's so great about why are there no black blood cells?
You know what I'm saying? How about that?
Think about that.
Equality.
Think about that. You didn't
saying?
need a white blood cell. Now you got white blood cells saying who can and can't come inside your body.
Oh, what?
Sounds like a Trump ban.
Are you the gatekeepers? Uh-huh.
Sounds like MAGA. Are they building a wall around infection?
Uh-huh.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Now.
Episode 56, nigga, the LT episode.
My nigga.
LT's episode.
The LT? Is he 56?
LT's 56, right?
Yeah.
I'm not crazy, right?
See, Wonder 56. He's not. Yo, it's episode 56, live from Red Bull Studios. It's
That's
been your
right.
boy, Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Bro, aka Pocket State Factorio, aka Shift Fast Crossing Dick, aka Eli Lippy.
That's right.
Butchers Cully, Slow Banana might know you, bitch.
That
Young
guy.
Day Party, Young Hot Take,
Yeah.
DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rado, 1994, Mikel going off the Juve Boss.
That's right.
MC Little Gunga Poo, putting up for 40 with your shorty. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
just know you.
I don't know if Lyft has a pool. I don't know if Juno has a pool.
I haven't checked it out yet.
Juno pool sounds weird. Uber pool sounds like a real thing, but you have to remember Uber did not exist 5 years ago. It's a
Juno
made-up
Pool
word.
sounds like a sci-fi movie.
Juno pool sounds sounds like a Mexican person asking if you want to play billiards. The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss on it. Jesus Rossi, it's a Jamaican Jew. Jamaican avocado toast. Young Pa.
That's right.
The ghost of Mufasa. Don't fuck up those gazelles, my nigga.
Don't go to East Street, man. It's dangerous.
It's dangerous out there, my nigga. Don't use those NYC condoms. Yo, charcuterie, we got the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo K. Remember
Bobby.
I put Bali in my butt?
That was nice, Bobby. It's called ball rolling.
I mean, I got nipples. It was weird. I was leaking
damn.
milk.
Yeah, nice.
Two-Phone Jones, Jesus Age Machina. Jay Chuckles, nigga. I watch you sleep. I stand over you, and I breathe in your carbon dioxide. Yeah. While you sleep, nigga. Yeah. Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Fun fact, Dr. Bonner's can also be used as douche.
Okay.
Laxative.
Okay.
Relieve a baby fever.
Okay.
And change a tire.
Oh, wow.
The Tapio. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot blurry.
That's right.
And I mean like really blurry. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you want to put on that nasty scene with Christian, then Erica Lauren, Miss Jewel. Yeah.
Throw caramel in there for good measure.
DJ Wood, like you're listening to Wash the Fam.
That's right.
Wash. W-A-S-H. Wash the Fam. Up next, we have 12 minutes of BBD. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer.
Yeah.
DJ Jamal Hashburn.
Yeah.
The Bronx, Celine Dion. This blunt will go on.
Yes.
The black Asiatic actor who cracked your back like an automatic, craftmatic, Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina, Refresh Marina, and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. And if you feel bad because I didn't get anything for you on Valentine's Day, know you was in my heart, and I just don't want to make it hot on the timeline.
Yeah, come on, man.
What's that girl? Tai Payne or whatever? Tai Payne? I forgot her name. But she always hits me on Twitter. She was like, "Hey, boo," and I always say hi to her.
Shout out to you.
That's my homie. That's
Shout out to you, man.
That's the boo. Shout out to her.
Shout out to you, yo. That's right, nigga. That's right. It's the art. Soon to be released at the MoMA. Episode 56, the LT episode, because we're busting through that line and we're getting the quarterback sack, nigga. You know who it is. It's the boy, the Kid Mero, the human do-rag flap, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Curve Gotti, A.K.A. Triz Khalif, huh? You know what I'm saying? Skirt loader, you know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby. I fucking mang.
Are you?
Look at my dad.
Look at the dad.
You know what I'm saying? No. I'm not stepping to the motherfucking side. Check the guest list twice, nigga, because my name is definitely on that bitch.
Hold on, wait. What agency booked this? Because I don't.
ICM is on there. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Yeah.
Is it your talent name or your real name?
It's actually.
You know what?
I'm getting in there. Fuck this. I know, fucking baby. Dad of the year. You know what I'm saying?
Are you really the dad of the year?
Because
wait.
I did.
Are you dad of the year? Cause I mean, we haven't talked about it on this.
Okay.
Ray Romano's been sending shots.
He's been in the
He's been sending shots.
Oh.
'Cause, I mean,
what?
You didn't see his Funkmaster Flex interview?
What?
He was crying.
Oh, word. Well, you know what? I think around 12 o'clock tonight, I'm going live. And ain't no tears going to be shed. Yo, Heather, get my Pepsi. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Dominican Dundana. You know what I'm saying? Phil the Ass Tyson. Big Smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? Ben Boston with the precision and the skill to take the penis of a gerbil and attach it to a dude from Fordham Road. We love you, man. You know, thank you, yo. Yeah, bust it wide open. You know what I'm saying? Bust it for a real nigga. Yo, check this out.
Candy, please, in the way we can.
Yeah, nah, it's all good, baby. Yo, meet me at the Marriott.
She still got the tits out?
She got titties out. Candy, show them titties.
Nice.
That's Hershey Kiss nipples,
Those are
baby.
nice titties.
That's right. Barmelo's Anthony. And I got a motherfucking no trade clause, nigga, so it's Bodega Boys all day, nigga. Holla. Grrr. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. If you see me in Target, respect my motherfucking agency. Approach me like an ursine mammal, nigga. That means a bear. That means an also, in case you got confused. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I was getting toppy in the lobby. Was a big deal. Woo! You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero. You know what I'm saying? El hijo de Tito Fifita, estamos bajando caro, papi. See me in Punta Cana with my dick out. You know what I'm saying? These out here, you know what I'm saying? We all fucking raw dog. It's crazy. Holla.
The Bodega Boys in the building.
That's right.
Episode 56.
Dale, papi.
I'm playing the Bongos. We're probably going on vacation next week.
Yeah.
We out.
Holla.